About 2 years back, we did an extensive consultation with industry to understand what are the gaps when we look at management education. And we discovered the world was moving towards digital across the globe. When we look at top 10 companies in the world, 7 of them were digital. When we asked company across the sectors, they were all moving towards digital. And we found somewhere in our management education, we did not have practically anything related to digital in our curriculum. And that's where we felt there's a need to design a radically different program which is going to cater to this industry, where we have a managers who understand how do you use the whole range of management concepts for a digital economy. And one of the key requirement there would be the significant availability of data. So we decided that let's co-create this program where we'll work with industry. So we created a center for digital enterprise management, and we have an advisory body which consists of leaders from this economy, where we had entrepreneurs who had started digital companies, we had consulting companies who've been providing service in this space, and we also have some of the leading companies, whether in the media or in FMCG space, who are looking at digital as a means of transforming their respective sectors. And with their help, we put together a program which is a very interesting, unique program, something which we have not seen anywhere in the world. So this 1-year MBA in digital enterprise management has essentially a couple of key elements. One, that there are 3 legs around which this whole program has been built. One, obviously, the managers should have a deep understanding of all the managerial concepts, key concepts. Then they should be expert in data analytics, because data analytics is going to be key for the future managers. And they should have a deep understanding of all the digital technologies. So somewhere we're saying, how do we make sure that we have the person who graduates this program has a deep understanding of management concepts, understands data analytics very well as understand technology. And we realize this program will have to be delivered with the help of industry. So what we do is we bring in large number of faculty from industry and teach this along with our faculty. Another key element of this program is the projects, because it's important that students actually dirty their hands. So they take up 2 projects, one in the space of analytics and one in the space of digital technology. And together, the conceptual part, this project together will deliver a manager who can, any sector you look at it, should be able to look at any new technology, digital technology, apply ideas from data analytics and do a transformation of that sector. So both digital as well as conventional sector, as well as consulting industry who are going to provide services in this space. And interestingly, we launched this in this year, and suddenly COVID has transformed this whole space. Whatever people thought is going to take a couple of years, now because of COVID, we see an acceleration in terms of the way industry is looking at the space. So we are welcoming now, we would like, bright young people to come into this program who want to be part of this exciting space. And we want to create essentially leaders and entrepreneurs who are going to work in the digital space.